So I'm showing a GE profile bottom freezer 2-door on top, so it's a 3-door refrigerator from GE. How to replace the door gasket, and you're looking at it disassembled, and the hard part was this piece right here. There's a little plastic piece that goes in there, and the best way to get it is not from the right side, but from the left side, or the inside refrigerator side. Use a long screwdriver and pry it out. The piece of plastic looks like this, and that little pinch right there has got 2 little lips to it, and it's really tough to get out. So you got to do it from the inside. I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I'm going to go reverse so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. And most of the things are just you pop out with your fingers. Go ahead and hold that. Keep it horizontal. So to eliminate the beeping sound, you just press up on top there, and it resets it for another 2 minutes. So the trick is there's a piece here that has to go behind this lip. This has to go behind this. This distance. Right behind this lip. So we're going to snap this in, and we're going to push that back. That flexes enough so we'll be able to push that in. So we're going to do that. And there's a little spring load on the inside here. If I push that in, that's going to sit right there. Okay. So if you want, you could slide the piece down and then slide it back up, because you really can't slide it in there, so don't take it off completely. Let's see, the spring load needs to go in. There we go. And pretty good there. It's only got 1 spring load. And so we're just going to snap that in to place. So if I just kind of tuck it in all the way down, and now I'm just going to smack that into place. Or use a long screwdriver and, oops, got it loose. Turn the sound off, and it's all in place. There we go. There we go. Now it's ready to go. There we go. Snap that in, slide that up, snap this in, make sure it's in place, get it behind the little gasket there. There it goes. I think we're ready though. There, snapped in. And Now the rest is a piece of cake. You just kind of start at the top because you don't want too much weight going down now. Once it's in, just kind of press it in. There's your new gaskets going in. It's all looking like it's finished. Just finger press it right on down. At the bottom. Should fit really nice and snug. Looks good. Let's test it before we put the cover on. And it should hold. There's the little piece that we broke. That was a $5 piece that we had to pay. Oh, retail, it's $150 for the part. We talked the Sears guy into or the GE repair place into wholesale price. So we got it for about $85. And they ship it with both the left hand and the right hand side. And now that should that'll be covered. And good. Now we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on here. It's a plastic piece that just snaps. The easiest way to take this off is start from the bottom and grab it, and it will just snap right out. So we're going to replace this the reverse way, starting from the bottom, because it's got to fit the curve, and it's got these little holes that it's going to go into. So let's go ahead and do that. Don't move it around so much. And it should just fit in one place. So once you find that, then the rest of them are just going to snap in. Get that one in. And there's a little lip here in the gasket that you want to make sure you catch on the way up. And we're in. New gasket around the door. So just to summarize, you take this off first. That's the nice looking piece that seals, it just snaps. And then you have to take this out. And then you have to use a long screwdriver to snap the catch from the inside of the refrigerator, not the outside. It'll just snap out. Okay? And replaced.